How to use Finelo AI Chart Analyzer. So if you're trying to make sense of a messy stock or crypto chart, this year the Finelo AI Chart Analyzer has become the ultimate shortcut for beginners to spot trends like a pro. And I'll tell you how the snap and analyze workflow works and turns a screenshot into a full trading plan in seconds. So firstly, you open up a Finelo app, or you can do this on the website, and head to the AI Tools section. The core feature here is the Snap and Analyze tool. You don't need to create or connect your brokerage, just upload a screenshot of any chart from TradingView, Robinhood or Coinbase, and the AI's vision model is tuned specifically for candlestick patterns, so even a low-res photo will work. And then once you hit Analyze, the AI goes to work. Within seconds, it will overlay key support and resistance levels directly onto your image. Look at the sidebar for the trend strength meter. It won't just tell you if the price is going up, it identifies classic patterns like head and shoulders or bull flags that you might have missed with the naked eye. And if you're confused about why the AI made a certain call, use the AI Mentor button. You can ask questions in natural language, and of course, the mentor provides personalized tips based on your previous chats, helping you actually learn the technical analysis rather than just following a bot. And also don't forget, before you put any real money on the line, use the Finelo simulator. You can take the AI's chart analysis and place a trade with virtual currency, so it's paper trading pretty much. This lets you see if the AI's prediction plays out in real time without any financial risk. It's the perfect way to test a strategy for a few days before committing your actual portfolio. And that's how you use AI to master the markets. If this tutorial helped you out, guys, subscribe to our channel, like the video, and thank you for watching.